Making a flower paste bow. Once you've mastered making bows, you can make them large or small and make your own designs. Add a little corn flour to your non-stick mat and rolling pin. Roll out the flower paste until it is about 2 mm thick. Any thinner and it won't hold its shape. Cut the flower paste into strips for your ribbon. Paint a line of edible glue in the centre of one large piece. Fold the ends into the centre. Pinch gently in the middle so that the ribbon pleats. Wrap a second strip around the centre of your bow and fix with some more edible glue at the back. Shape the loops with your fingers and use a small rolled up piece of kitchen paper to hold them open as the bow dries. To make the tails, cut a forked end into your 2 remaining pieces. Dab some edible glue to attach them to each other, add more on top, then place the bow in the centre and press gently. Arrange on your cake before the tails dry completely. Remove the kitchen towel. Take a small ball of flour paste and glue to the centre of your cake. Brush a little more edible glue on top. Prop the bow onto the support and use some more edible glue to prop up the tails.